Let us understand the step-by-step process of using the management page in Strategic ERP. Navigate to the management page form under the Leads Management module. Here, you can get an overview of marketing insights, such as the unit status, marketing and top inquiry sources versus leads tab. Under the unit status tab, you can get an overview of total ongoing projects, number of forecasting units, available units and sold units till date. In the unit status table, you can view details such as the total leads recorded, number of calls by telecallers, number of site visits completed, number of converted leads and total upcoming planned site visits for the selected date or time period. You can filter data as per monthly, weekly or till date basis. Additionally, select the calendar icon to add a custom date range and click on Apply. Under the Marketing Page tab, you can get an overview of salesperson-wise performance dashboard. The dashboard will show each salesperson's total sales amount. Click on the table icon to view the salesperson-wise amount and units sold in tabular format. You can view the salesperson name, amount collected and total units sold. You can also view the advertisement versus sales dashboard under the Marketing tab. The advertisement cost and sales value will be color-coded to clearly highlight the differences. Here, you can get an overview of the ROI on marketing spend. In the advertisement details table, you can view source, advertisement cost and sale value details. You can filter data as per monthly, weekly or till date basis. Additionally, select the calendar icon to add a custom date range and click on Apply. The top inquiry sources versus leads tab also helps track ROI of each source. Under top inquiry sources versus leads tab, you can view the total cost and number of leads in the dashboard view. The table view icon shows the source, total cost, number of leads, booked, site visits, not interested and work in progress. The process of shortlisting contractor and reviewing work order is now complete.